Hello again. I managed to finish up the shock mount and everything is now ready for the car to be driven to the garage and see if it can get EU approved. I've done a lot of work on it this last year, so it's going to be kind of scary and interesting to see if everything gets approved without any further issues. So, starts up nice at least. And off we go. Hello again. I finally picked up the car from the garage. They have done a full wheel alignment. They tightened the lower control arms and a EU control. Luckily the steering wheel was straight after they did the four-wheel alignment, so there's no issues there. And they also changed one of the gaskets underneath the rear wheel here to make sure the air condition doesn't leak anymore. And the aluminium and metal had reacted a little bit there, but they cleaned it and changed the gasket, so hopefully that should not be an issue anymore. So then the big question is, was it approved? Yes, it was! I am extremely happy about that. There was no issues at all, and it just went through without any things at all. So that's absolutely amazing. So now the last things I'm doing is just to clean the car. It has not been used or cleaned since November. So I still have the winter wheels on this side. And then on the other side I have changed to my summer wheels. So I just cleaned both sets of wheels and inside the wheel wells, make sure everything is nice and clean. And now you can kind of, for the first time, see the difference between OEM springs and H&R springs, and also the new shocks. So you can see it's a little bit higher, but I still think this is definitely acceptable look-wise, and from the little drives I've driven so far, the car feels very, very good. So then my biggest worry and my biggest project of probably my life regarding cars is completed. I still have some small things I want to do with it. I have the extra equipment, exhaust tips and engine mounts that I'm going to change out, so that should be the next film. And I also have the keys that does not work. The remote on the keys does not work. They just nothing happens when I try and unlock the car or pop the hood, which is extremely annoying. So hopefully that should be sorted out pretty quickly, but the main thing now is that the car is road legal. I can use it every day for work and finally get to know the car. So this is pretty awesome. So now I just have to clean the rest of the wheels and put on summer wheels on the other side, and the car is ready to be used. Very happy about that.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.